Get the mouse. Look, there's a mouse in there. What is that? Tashi, get the mouse. You guys think, oh, it smells like catnip. Get it. You silly Kiki. Look, there's a mouse in it. Get a mouse. Come on. You're so cute. Oh, yeah. Say, oh, yeah. Oh, was you gonna get me? Alana, look, she's playing with the toy.
Oh, cute.
I sprayed catnip stuff on it.
Oh, she's enjoying it.
Oh, you got the mouse. Oh, you can get it. Did she just bite it? Oh,
I love Misa. Hey! She snickered at me. I'm gonna go kick her.
Tasha, don't play with the box, play with the toy. You can get it, come on. Good girl. I think she likes it, Danielle. Tashi actually likes a toy.
Hi, kitty.
Be careful, she got catnip.
I'll try a quick pet. I showed Casey my phone case and she got mad.
What'd she say?
She said she wanted one like it. She wasn't mad because it's the only phone case. It's the phone case I chose out of all the phone cases that they had. She said, I don't want that phone case. I told her they have them at Five Below, and she was like, haha, my mom won't get me phone cases from Five Below. She said they're cheap.
Get it, Tasha. Psst, psst. Get the mouse. Oh, you twat. I think she's done. I think she's done playing with it or something, because she looks kind of... Look at that face. She looks kind of angry.
Angry kitty.
Be careful, she had catnip, Danielle. Throw something at my cat again. I will hurt you. Oh, you are rude. Upset my baby. It's okay, Tashi.